Hey guys, I'm out here in the garden. I don't know if y'all could hear the wind blowing, but it's blowing really hard out here today. I'm not really out here to do any garden work. Well, this is some work, but I'm not out here to really do any garden work. But I came out because these temperatures are dropping again. We're supposed to get in a freeze temp tonight. We have had 2 days of temps in the 80s. It was 81 yesterday and the day before. Last night the temperature dropped. It rained hard all night, on and off throughout the night. I was at work, and so I'm out here now in between work to cover my two little raised beds that I have. I have this one is planted out. These things are going to get real big. This is some pak choi that I have in here. I'll probably end up pulling it, but I have my peppers in here and I have celery. And to me, they're still little. They just these, especially these peppers, they're just getting their true leaves. And so I want to just kind of cover them because it's supposed to get cold tonight, down to 35. Wind chills, very cold. It's windy out here now. Um, And I'm not prepared to be out here long because I'm not layered up. I just threw on something so I could come out here, cover these beds, this one right here included, because I have tomatoes in this one. Um, and I want to cover them because the gust of wind is going to be 35 throughout the night and the temp is going to be down in the 30s. Let me see what this thing was saying because I was looking at the weather. The wind was howling so bad while I was inside. I jumped up and ran to the door just so I could see what was going on. Woo. Right now it's only 63, feel like 60, feel like 56, but it's the gust of wind that's making it colder than what it is. But we are under freeze watch and freeze warning for tonight. So I just want to cover these two beds. I'm not really worried about the cabbage. I think they'll be able to survive that. But I don't know about my little seedlings. I don't really want to take any chances. So I'm gonna cover it. I don't know if I can leave you guys up because this wind is really blowing out here. But we have a freeze watch. We have a freeze watch, and we also are under a fire watch because we are in a drought. Where I'm at in southeast Georgia, Zone 9B, we are in a drought. So we was very grateful for the rain last night, but they're still saying that we are under a drought. And reading what they said, winds 15 to 20 miles per hour, the gust of wind 35 miles per hour. We're under freeze warning, temperature as low as 35, as low as 30, very cold, and chills as low as 19 to be expected. So I'm gonna cover these little things, and I'm hoping and praying that everything else out here will be able to fight for what they know and handle themselves. I'm gonna get some hoops, and I think the easiest way and the quickest way to cover is to just use my sheets because I only need two. Just use my sheets, and that is easy. I'm gonna use some of my hoops. I'm sorry, guys. I'm bouncing y'all everywhere trying to carry y'all while I go over here to get some sheets. As y'all can see, the wind is really blowing. Look at my pop-up tent flying. The wind is really blowing, so I'm gonna just use some of my little hoops that I have here. I think about six should be enough because I don't want to lay the sheet right on top of the thing. So I'm going to use these hoops that I have here. I keep them over there on the shed. I'll show you guys. I keep them over on the shed right here on the hook. Just so I don't have to constantly be pulling them from here. If I'm not using them, that's where I put them at. It is sun shining, but it is not warm. The sun is shining, but it is not warm out here. It's just a cold, sunshiny day. That is all. So I'm hoping that you all will be able to see me. I'm just gonna stick these hoops down in here, and this is gonna hold up the sheet for me. I'll put about 3 in each one. And that should hold the sheet up pretty good. I wasn't even planning on coming out in the garden. On days that I work, I do not come out and do any garden work because I work 12 hours and the other 12 hours I spend at home, but you have to sleep part of those 12 hours. You have to do your house chores if you have any. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't do the house chores, I mean. I got an extra one. I'm gonna just keep that right down there. Whew. So you definitely want to make sure you got your stuff tied down. So I'm gonna get my sheets and I'll be back when I have those. Okay, I am back. I have my sheet. I'm gonna just throw my sheet over this. And I'm just being cautious, guys. That's all. I'm just being cautious. I'm not saying nobody else need to cover. You may not even be having cold weather, freeze temps where you live. This is just what I'm having to do because I don't want to take any chances. And this is a pretty big sheet, so I have doubled it up. It rained last night, and I'm pretty sure that these beds got rain. I know they have. And because the wind is so high, I am going to put a clip on the end, on the two ends, just to try to hold this on, just to hold it on. Well, I'm going to put one on each side too as well, just to hold these things on. And then I'm going to show you what I'm using to cover my little small seedlings that I put in my green stalk towers. I have something to cover those too as well. Girl, child, Kaylana came out here and scared me. Did you close the door good? Honey, she got this natural hair flying. We've been doing twist and twist outs. She been loving it. It's been so cute. She came out here and scared me. I didn't even hear her come up. This wind is blowing so much. I didn't even hear her.
You didn't see me there?
I didn't see you. No, I didn't see you come up, girl.
I was right
And
behind you.
she get tickled. I'm sorry, y'all can't even see me no more. She get plumb tickled when she scared one of the grown ups. She think that's so funny. Okay, so I have these taken care of. And now I'm gonna show you what I'm using to cover on my towers, because I do have tomatoes in my towers. I kind of want to cover them up as much as I can. And what I'm going to be using, sorry I have you all so close, but I'm trying to hold you with my foot because this a gust of wind just came through here. And you are rocking. Can y'all see how the wind is blowing this in my hand and see how the sheets are blowing back there? But these are the little small greenhouses, and it's used to protect your plants with the green stalk tower. I'm trying to move you all so y'all can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put this in here and try to protect this plant as much as I can. It probably won't protect it so much on the side, but it'll protect it from a lot of the wind. Now the leaves on a tomato is a little thicker than the leaves that's on these peppers. So I'm hoping that helps. I only have one thing planted in here. I don't want you guys falling over. And I have a tomato in here, and it has yellow flowers on it already. And we'll discuss what kind of tomatoes this is during the tour. I'm going to do a garden tour. Okay. So that is protected as much as I can with the little greenhouses that come from Greenstock, from the Greenstock garden. I ordered those. I have some celery here. I'm gonna cover. I'm not gonna worry about covering the strawberries. I got these when Greenstock was having that sale back in October. And they work pretty good, and they keep, if you're throwing seeds, which I will be dropping some seeds, not today though, I will be dropping some seeds, so I'm gonna try to just protect that as much as I can, lean it forward as much as I can, and I'm just covering my little celery because to me the leaves on the celery is thin, and I think they may could take cold. I don't really know. So I'm not taking chances. That's all. I'm just not taking chances. And I have another celery here. So, and hopefully these are on tight to where they want the little greenhouses won't blow off. So that's what I'm hoping, that the wind doesn't pick up so much, because these actually snap on. But you know, this wind out here is strong today. And that's what I came out here to do, guys, just to cover these seedlings, and only these seedlings. I'm not worried about anything else. I'm not worried about the broccoli, the kale, and the cabbage and all that stuff. I know they can hold their own, but I just don't want the seedlings to, you know, get frozen or be all limp or die. And most of those seedlings I purchased, so I don't have money to waste. So I'm always gonna protect my stuff. I complain about covering and uncovering, but y'all see, I'll come out here and do it. I'll talk trash about it now, because they do get on your patience after cover and uncover, because we done had 2 days back to back in the 80s, 81. And when I went to work on Friday at 6, it was still 81 degrees and the sun was going down, but it still was 81 degrees. I'm gonna put these away, guys. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to come out here and show you me covering. I'm pretty sure you have seen that at least 5 or 6 times from me, but that's what I'm doing, just using those hoops and those sheets to cover those little seedlings, because those little leaves are tender. Some of them are just getting their true leaves, especially on my peppers, and I don't want them frozen. I don't know how it's going to actually feel to be in cold temps all night with wind gusts up to 35 miles per hour. So, and the temp is supposed to drop down to 35, maybe even to 19. So I don't want to take any chances. I'm praying that everything else out here can hold its own. But that's it, guys. That's what I came out here to do, a quick work over here in Glory's garden. I'll see you guys in this garden later.